Let's focus on the f sound that can be heard in the beginning of words like in fan, in the middle of words like in muffin, and in the end of words like in cliff. To make the f sound, bring your bottom lip up to touch your top front teeth while keeping your mouth somewhat closed. Keep the sides of your tongue flat against your upper back teeth. Push air through the small space between your top teeth and bottom lip. Your voice is off, and your throat should feel calm without vibration. Now you try the f sound. Today, we'll learn how letters make certain sounds and how we use those sounds to decode and read words. The letter F is a consonant that makes the voiceless f sound like in the word fan. We'll use the f sound when decoding a word with the letter F. We'll say each sound from left to right, then blend the sounds together to read the whole word. Let's practice decoding a word with the f sound. First, look at the word. Then, say each sound from left to right, remembering that the letter F makes the f sound. F, fan. Now you give it a try. Great job! You just decoded and read the word fan. Have fun practicing decoding words with the letter or consonant F, which makes the f sound.